Hi guys, so today we're going to be showing you how to make a drink with our brand new coconut jelly toppings. So these come in 3 flavors. We have lychee, mango and strawberry. So to make this drink is really easy. You're going to take your cup, add your topping in to start. So I'm going to go for a strawberry one here. So got the strawberry in. I'm actually going to add some lychee jelly in as well. Perfect. Okay, so that's step 1. So the next step is figure out which flavor soda you want to make. All you have to do to make this soda is use one of our concentrated fruit flavor syrups. Today I'm going to use mango. So it's 3 or 4 pumps depending on how strong you want it. Perfect. And then you quite simply just add soda water, but first we're going to add some ice in there. As it is summer, you're going to want to make sure these drinks are ice cold for your customers. So now we're just going to open up the soda water and pretty simply just pour it in. And the last step that you're going to want to do is get a mixing spoon and just mix that around. As you'll see, the colour will start to change as the syrup and the soda water combine. And what you're left with is a really amazing looking drink. So this one was the mango soda water with strawberry and lychee at the bottom. All you need to use is your fruit flavoured syrups and toppings, which I'm assuming most of you guys will have already. So it's adding a new drink to your menu using the same ingredients that you already have. So we're going to put this one to the side and we're going to try out with some different flavours now. Okay, so here I'm going to go for a green apple flavoured soda. So I'm going to add in lychee jelly. And I think I'll add in some mango jelly as well. Perfect. And then, as said before, we're going to add in some ice. Perfect. And the next step is to pick our concentrated syrup. So I've got green apple here. I'm going to go for 4 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. You can already see those colours are starting to combine. And I'm going to get this out of the way and add in our soda water. There we go. And go ahead and mix that around. And there you go, another drink option, so easy to make. So I think we'll do one more. We've got blueberry syrup here, so I'll just move these off to the side and we'll make one more drink for you guys. Take our cup, add in some strawberry jelly, and then we'll add in a bit of mango. Scoop in some ice. Then we'll take our syrup and just pump that in. I like mine really strong, so I am going to go for 4 pumps again. 3 and 4. And then pour in our soda water. And then just as before, you just want to combine the syrup with the soda water by mixing or stirring gently for a couple of seconds. And then what you're left with is this colourful, fizzy, ice cold, fruity soda water. Very easy to make. So these 3 we've been using are concentrated fruit syrups. We're going to make one more using one of our new products. It's our peach jam. So I'm just going to move these 3 off to the side and show you this last drink. So we'll take our cup, add our topping as usual. So I'm just going to pour some of these in here. Perfect. And now we're gonna open up our peach jam. So I'm just gonna take 2 big scoops of this jam and get that in there. 1 and 2. Perfect. Ice first, and then pour in the soda water. So there you go. That's our peach soda using all 3 of the new coconut jellies. And that's it, guys. So we've made 4 drinks for you today. All of them take about 30 seconds to make, genuinely so easy. And you can come up with any flavor combination you want. You can use popping balls, you can use coconut jellies, you can mix multiple different flavors together, and they're all gonna come out with amazing color designs on the side. Really appealing to your customers and so easy to make using ingredients that you likely already have. So thanks for watching, guys.